Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video we are going to learn how to create this wedding website. So this is just an easy and fast way to create a wedding website for those of you who wants to you have clients that you have to create wedding websites for. I'm going to show you how you can be able to easily create a beautiful wedding website for your clients, mobile responsive. They can be able to access it anywhere, and then they can be able to also use it during their wedding ceremony. So this is how it looks like. This is everything, how it looks like. And then I'm going to show you how you can be able to easily create this particular website over here. As you see, so this website have some few pages over here. So as you can see, this is the home page or the landing page that they're going to land on, with beautiful pictures over here. I'm going to show you how you can be able to do all this, and then also how it all started during their courting or their dating stages, all of them. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this beautiful timeline over here, and then you can go ahead and then also go to gallery over here, and then a bunch of pictures that you can be able to set up for your gallery. Also, you can be able to, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do all that. Okay, so you're going to have a bunch of gallery of past memories and other stuff of those or the couples that they are going to get married. And then you can even have a blog page for it. You can also have a contact us page, and then also the RSVP page, which is linked to button, which is linked to the contact us page. So that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to build. So specifically, it's going to be a wedding website that each and every one of my subscribers should be able to do this thing easily. Okay, so let's get started and let me show you how you can be able to build this particular website in a jiffy. Now guys, to be able to create a website, now first of all you need to have a domain name, you need to have hosting. Okay, so I've talked several times about domain names and hosting on this particular channel, but if you want to get domain name and hosting, then just go into the new tab over here and then just type in Kaetech Digital over here, Kaetech Digital, and then /Namecheap. Okay, so this particular one, I'll leave the link in the description, and then it's going to give you take you to a place where you can be able to buy your domain name and then hosting. Now these people provide cheap domain names over here, and their hosting too is very good with very good support. Okay, you can reach out to them. They have live support. You can be able to reach out to them anytime that you want, and the support team is very good. They can be able to help you with all that you need, everything that you need. They are very good, so I recommend them for you. Now of course, if you use the link I'm going to give you to purchase this one, you're not going to pay more, but you will be helping the channel. It is an affiliate link. Okay, that is a way to say thank you to me. Okay, so that is what basically, so you can buy your domain name and then also your hosting also here. Just get your shared hosting or any other hosting that you want to get over here, and then install your WordPress, and then you are good to go. If you don't know how to do all this, I've done videos of how to be able to get a domain name, get hosting, install WordPress. You can watch all those videos. I'll leave the links in the description for you. Now after getting your domain name, installing WordPress, this is what you're going to get. Okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard. So we've logged into our WordPress dashboard. Now because I don't want the video to be fast, I have go ahead to create my WordPress website, and this is how the WordPress website looks like. Okay, so there is nothing more, just the default 2024 theme installed on this particular domain. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the kaetechtutorials.com for this is what I use for my tutorials. So I just purchased this domain for my tutorials. So this is what I've been I'll be using for most of my tutorials, and this is particularly the default WordPress theme 2024 theme that we are using over here. So Basically that is how it is. There is nothing much more to do. Now this is the dashboard of WordPress. So I'm going to do some few settings and then I'll go ahead to go ahead and create the website. So I'm going to click on screen options over here. I want my dashboard to be clean, so I'm going to just untick this particular things over here so that it will set my dashboard to be very clean for me. Okay, so I'm just going to untick this once and then my dashboard will be clean. All right guys, so now that my dashboard is clean over here, I'm going to just click on the screen options to let it go away. Now what I will do is I'm just going to go to settings over here and then just set some few settings over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on general settings. I'm going to give a site title to my website. Now since this is a wedding website, I'm going to use the names of the people that I'm going to create the wedding for. Okay, so I'll say John and Kate. Okay, so John and Kate, or you can just say John Wed Kate. Okay, so depending on John Words Kate or John Wed Kate or whatever it is, or John Love Kate or whatever it is that you want to use. Okay, so that is basically it, and then you can choose a site icon for it. Now the site icon is basically what appears over here. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm not going to choose any site icon for it. I'm just going to go straight ahead and then click on save changes over here. All right, so since this is not a membership website, this is just a wedding website, I'm not going to take this one. That is why I just saved it straight away. So now as you can see, we have what if I come over here and then refresh it, you're going to see that my blog will change to John Wed Kate. Okay, so that is it. So now that I have this one done, I'm going to go to permalinks over here. I want to change all my permalinks to post name. Okay, so I'm going to click on post name over here. So change it from day and time to day and name to post name over here. Now the reason why we do this is basically for SEO purposes and then for your links to be very simple and short. Okay, it takes the post name or the page name of your website. So I'm going to save this one and then I'm good to go. Now I've done this one. I think all is set. Now the next thing I will do is to just install some themes. Okay, so the theme that I'm going to install, I'm going to go ahead and click over an appearance over here and then click on themes over here. So you see that I only have one theme. Now the theme that we're going to use for this particular wedding website is not in the WordPress directory. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, open a new tab over here and then click type in Kaetech digital slash Rishi. Okay, so just type in slash Rishi theme. Okay, this particular one and then hit enter. So you're gonna come on this particular website over here. This is the Rishi theme website. Okay, now this particular website, this particular theme, let me say this particular theme is really an amazing theme. I've used this several times to create most videos over here. Those of you who have watched my cryptocurrency video, my first cryptocurrency video, this is the website, the theme that I used to create this particular website. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit on download Rishi over here. Now it is free to use. Okay, even though they have pro versions over here, you can go and then set up the pro versions over here. It is very free to use. Okay, but we have the free version, we have the pro version. It is free to use. Just click on download now over here. Now just type in your details over here and then they'll send you the link to download the theme over here. So I'm going to just type in my email address. So I'm going to say Kaetech tutorials @gmail.com. all right, so tutorials, yeah, Kaetech tutorials @gmail.com, and then your first name, I'm going to say Kobe, and then your last name, I'm going to say Evans. Okay, so just let me just accept this one. Just click on download now and then they're going to send you an email, and as you can see, an email has been sent. You have to check your email. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, open a new tab over here and then go ahead and access my email to see the email that they have sent me for me to be able to download this particular theme. All right, guys, so as you can see over here, I have a message to confirm your free free download from the Rishi theme. So I'm going to click over here, and as you can see, it says what, and please click on the link to complete your download. So I'm going to click on the link. Okay, I'm going to click on the link that it said I should click on it. So let me click on it, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then complete my download. All right, guys, so as you can see, now I have everything for me to download it. So this is the downloading side of the Rishi theme. All I need to do is to click on this blue button over here, and then I'll be able to download the theme. So the theme is downloading for me, and as you can see, this is it. Okay, I'm downloading the theme over here, and I'll be able to use it once the download is complete. All right, guys, so the download is complete. Let's take a look at the download over here. So as you can see, this is the download over here. So we're going to install this particular theme to our website. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go to my dashboard over here, and these are my themes section over here. So you hover on appearance and then click on themes. You're going to get if this is your first time installing WordPress on your website, you're going to get some bunch of themes over here, which of course you're going to see the 2024 theme. Now, if you want to download a new theme, we're going to click on add new theme over here. We want to install a new theme, sorry, you click on add new theme over here, and then it will take you to the theme section, and then you'll be able to install it. Now I think my internet is a little bit down. Let me just go back again and then check to see why my internet is down. So it's still even connected over here. Okay, so it's now on. So as you can see, you will be taken to the the theme directory over here, and what you have to do is you have to click on upload theme. Okay, because we want to install the theme that we downloaded, so we have to upload it on the server and then be able to install it. So I'm going to choose file over here, and then go into my folder, which is the wedding folder. I'm going to choose this particular one, which is this one over here. Now click on open. Okay, so now all what I need to do is to click on install now to install the theme that I have downloaded. So I'm going to wait for the theme to install. As you can see, you cannot really see it, but then if you see this one turning, it means that it is what it is installing. So you hold on for it to install, and then we activate it whilst it's installed. All right, guys, so our theme has been installed successfully, as you can see over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the middle one, which says activate. So we're going to activate our theme. So let's click over here. All right, so our theme has been activated successfully, and as you can see, this is the Rishi theme over here that is showing right over here. So now we have our Rishi theme activated, okay, which is very, very good. Now when you activate the Rishi theme, it will strongly recommend that you activate or you install the Rishi companion plugin to get access to features like the demo starter and all those kind of stuff. So we're going to click on this one which says download Rishi companion. So we're going to click on it to download it and then to activate it. So as you can see, this is the Rishi companion. You have to click on free download over here. It will still ask you the same thing it did from the beginning, so we're going to do that quickly. So just add your email address and other stuff to it, and then be able to download it. All right, so our email email has been sent to our email address, so we can go ahead and go check the email to see what kind of email we've gotten from Rishi, and then we'll be able to use it on our website. So I'm going to go click on inbox over here, and as you can see, we have confirm free download. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on this particular one over here, and it's going to take me to where I can be able to download the companion. All right, so as you can see, we have this one which says Rishi companion over here. So you click on it to download it, and as you can see, it has it is downloading. So I'm going to hold on for a while for it to finish its process and other stuff, then we can install it on our website. All right, guys, so a plugin is done downloading. So I can see it in my downloads over here. As you can see, this is the plugin. So we can now go ahead and then install the plugin on our website. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our dashboard, and then on the dashboard we look for plugins over here, and then we're gonna hover on plugins, and we can click on add new plugin. All right, so when we are in the plugin directory, WordPress plugin directory over here, what we're going to do is we want to go ahead and click on upload plugin. So we will upload a new plugin, and we click on choose file over here. Okay, so we're going to select the companion, Rishi companion. Okay, that is the plugin that we are uploading. Remember, this is a theme, so you cannot upload it. So we're going to click on open, and then we click on install to install the Rishi companion plugin. All right, so this is the plugin successfully installed. So what we can do is we just click on the activate plugin over here, and as you can see, guys, the plugin has been successfully activated. Okay, so it says activate the licenses for this particular plugin. All right, guys, so now that the plugin is activated, installed and activated, what we have to do is to activate the plugin licenses. Okay, so we're gonna click over here, and then we go ahead to activate the plugin licenses. So let's look for where we are supposed to activate the licenses, and as you can see, this is the license over here. So click on the license over here, and then they will ask for your license key, and then you click on activate. Now, to be able to get the free license key, okay, now remember that when you got an email over here, you also get another email which gives you your login details. Okay, so make sure that you go ahead and click on the login details over here, and then set your password. Okay, so click on set your password to set a password for the account that has been created for you on Rishi RishiTheme.com. Now, when you set your password, you can come to Rishi theme.com over here, and then click on account. Okay, just click on account. It will tell you to be able to log in over here. Now, I've already logged in over here. Okay, so it takes me straight to my download. Now, when you log in, it's going to take you straight to your download. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on this particular one which says view licenses on the companion side over here. So you see that I have two different purchase history over here. Okay, now the only difference that I see that this is different, you can either click over here to view details and downloads, or click on view licenses. Okay, so let's say I click details, view details and download. It's gonna give me all the details of the purchase over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the details of my downloads over here. But I'm gonna go back over here, and then I'm gonna click on this one. So here it will let me know what particular thing is, whether it is a theme or it is how do you call it, it is a plugin. So I'm going to click over here to view license keys, or to view my license key, and then as you can see, this is the Rishi companion. This is the key over here. It is inactive. I can use it unlimited times, and then it is a lifetime also. Okay, you can manage your site also over here, and then if there is an upgrade, you're gonna see it over here. So I'm gonna click on this key over here, and as you can see, I can copy this whole key over here, copy it, and come back to my website over here, and then put it over here. Okay, so when I put it over here, I can just click on activate license to activate the license key. Now, at first it wasn't like this, but now they have upgraded, so they are using license key for you to activate your license. So as you can see, it is a lifetime license. You have one unlimited site activated. So it is activated, and now we're going to have this starter site over here. So I can go over here, and as you can see, I have this starter site coming over here. It says a Rishi theme template to get started. So what we're going to, the wedding website that we're going to create, we're going to have a template. Okay, a template to use. So if you go to the Rishi website over here, you see that this one says starter site. So if you click on it, you're going to see a lot of what starter templates over there. Okay, so if you are creating, let's say, a blog website, you're going to see a blog starter template over there. If you are creating let's say, an agency website, you're going to see an agency starter template over there. If you are creating, a luxury hotel website, you're going to see hotel starter template over there. If you are creating anything that you are creating, you're going to see them over here. Search through it. Okay, now for those of you who saw my cryptocurrency website from the beginning of this particular channel, you're going to see that I use this particular starter template to start my cryptocurrency website. And if you scroll down over here, what we're going to use is what is way below. So able to help you search it, we can just search for maybe the wedding, or you can go to categories over here, and then we look for free. So it's having what 33 free templates over here, and then 60 free premium template. Okay, so if you want to go for premium, you can of course go for it. Use my link and then go for it. Okay, you're gonna click over here, and then it will sort between both the premium and then the free. So I'm looking for the wedding template over here. I can go ahead and search for it. Just search for it, and as you can see, this is the wedding template that we are looking for. So now that I have this wedding template over here, I know it's over here, I can go back to my my website over here, and then over here it says we should install the starter template. Okay, Rishi starter template. So I'm going to click over here to install. It's going to go ahead and then install. Just a one-click installation. It will install, and then we activate it, or it will automatically activate it for us, and then we are good to go. So as you can see, the starter template has been installed and activated, and now we have everything on our website. So everything that we see over here is now on our website. Now we can go ahead and choose whatever we want. Okay, so if you want any pro, you can go ahead and then choose any pro that you want. It means that you have the pro license key to be able to use on your website. Okay, so now let's go ahead and search for the wedding that we are looking for. So I'm going to go for free over here. Search between free over here, and then I will just look for my wedding template. Okay, so I'm going to go down, and let's see if we still have it. Yes, as you can see, this is the wedding template. Okay, so it's having 4 different templates. We can go ahead and click on import, and then this is the template over here. We can go ahead and click on complete, import complete site. Okay, just click on it. It's going to tell you what you want to do. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on skip and import. Okay, currently blah 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 blah, so skip and import. So we can go ahead and click on this particular one over here, import over here, and then we'll be able to go. So I've enabled debugging on my website. Okay, that is why you see it over here. So don't worry, if in the front end there's some error, I will have to activate the debug so that I don't see those errors over here. So it is important. It will just install all the templates for us, and then import the customizer settings, the content and everything for us. All plugins that we want to use, it will do everything for us. Okay, so we don't need to worry at all. So that is basically it. So just hold on, and everything will be installed successfully for us. All right, guys, so our plugin, our demo has been successfully imported for us. So as you can see, it says the website imported successfully, so we are good to go. So now you can either click over here, or to show you the truth, this is our website right now. At the moment we install the new theme, this is how it looks like. So now let's go ahead and refresh the website to see the new look of the website. All right, guys, so this is how our website looks like over here, and it's not really quite what we really wanted, okay, because of the the logo over here. Okay, if you look at this one, okay, this is how the logo looks like, and when you scroll, this is how it looks like. Okay, but over here, the logo has become very big. Aside the logo, everything is perfectly well over here. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to, after getting this website done, how you can be able to edit it to suit your your client's needs and other stuff. Okay, so now we have the website pre-designed for us, so it is up to us to edit it to make sure that it becomes customized for the clients that we are dealing with. So follow me as I go through it and then show you how you can be able to design. Now, first of all, we're going to tackle the header first. Okay, so first of all, we're going to tackle the header first. Now, for me, I can decide that maybe I just want the home page, I just want a landing page for it. But if you want all these pages, you can choose it, you can choose to make it stay. Okay, but if you don't want all the pages, you just want one page, you can just import just the home page over here. Okay, but then if you finish importing it and you still want to get rid of some pages, you can go ahead to go to all pages over here. Okay, go to pages over here, and then you see you're gonna see all the pages on the website. So this is the front end or the home page over here. This is the gallery page, this is the contact us page, this is how it started page, and then these are all sample pages. Okay, so these ones we can trash them, we can go ahead and trash them. Okay, and then this one is what is just a blog post page. Okay, so if you have some blog you are writing proud to the wedding, you can be putting it over here, maybe giving some information out and other stuff. People can visit the website and read those informations over here. But aside that, these are the 4 pages that are on the website, 1 2 3 4 plus this one, which is 5. You can delete any one of them. Okay, now let's go ahead and deal with the header as I am telling you. So to be able to deal with the header, it is also very simple. You see this one which says customize over here, you can click on it to customize the header and other colors of the website. So let's say also another side is what you can go to your backend and then hover on appearance, and you're going to see customize over here. Okay, you can be able to go ahead and customize the header of the website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this customize over here, and then since we are on the front end, we go ahead and then see view it everything, and then we customize it on the go. So one thing about this particular website that I didn't tell you is it is using Elementor page builder. So meaning that it is, you can be able to drag and drop widgets and any elements that you want in the when you are editing it. So it's very easy to edit. You're not going to write any line of code. It is just drag and drop thing. And then also the theme has a header builder and a footer builder. So as you can see, we have the header builder and then a footer builder also over here. And these are the global settings. So you can check the colors over here. And as you can see, this is the wedding colors, the color palette, that the global color palette that they are using over here. Okay, if you want to change any of them, you just click on the color over here, and then you can be able to set your own color for it. Okay, so that is what basically it. So the base font, the base font color, the heading color, and all those kind of stuff, you can be able to change it over here. And also in Elementor builder session, as you are going, you can be able to change all of them over there. So let's go ahead and go to the header builder, since we want to change the logo. Okay, so when you click on header builder, you see this is the header. Now you see this one, we have the logo over here. If you go to the left hand side, okay, so it is divided into 3 different sections. The logo section, the middle row, and then also the left. So we say the right section, the middle section, and then also the left. Oh, sorry to say the the left section, the middle section, and then the right section. Okay, so you can go ahead and then just add anything that you want to add. Okay, so you can either click over here to turn it off or turn it on. Okay, all depends on you. So as you can see, you can't see any kind of menu over there. I can also click over here bring it to bring it on. Okay, so that is basically it. I can also click over here to even delete the logo if I want to delete it. Okay, so that is it. Now remember that the header comes in different forms. Okay, so as you can see, this is the logo over here. Okay, if I click on the logo, I can add a logo over here. Okay, so you also have the logo style. Okay, you can either choose either logo and title, and then logo, title, and tagline. Okay, you can also do that. Now the width of the logo, you can also set it over here. The site title, if you want to set a site title, you can also set it over here. Okay, so it all depends on you. So for the site title, I want to change this particular one over here, make it John and Kate. Okay, so that I know it is John and Kate that I'm dealing with. So I'm going to just do away with wedding invitation and say John and Kate, or maybe John and Kate's wedding, or John and Kate. Okay, so it depends on how you want to set it up. Okay, and then the visibility, you can choose where you want it to be visible at. Okay, depends on you. Now you can't see it right now unless you publish it, go to the front end, and then you're gonna see it. But let's change the logo. Okay, so I can decide to click on this one, and as you can see, the logo will disappear. Okay, the empty logo over there is supposed to disappear. If it doesn't go, don't worry, you can just click over here and then set your own logo. Okay, so I don't really have my personal images on the website, but I want to just go ahead and set up my personal or upload my personal files over here, so the ones that I'm going to use for the website. So I'm going to go over here, and as you can see, I have this wedding folder over here. I'm going to just go ahead and then just upload all the images that I want to upload on the website. So I'll select all of them, click on open over here, and then I'll wait for it to upload over here. Now I downloaded all my images from Pexels. Okay, so you can go ahead and then check Pexels if you want images over there. It's free to download. Okay, free to use. You can be able to get images over there for yourself, free to use for any project that you want to embark on. All right, guys, so as you can see over here, our images has been uploaded successfully. Now we just need a logo, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this one as my logo over here. So I have a logo which I created for John and Kate using Photoshop. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to just set it over here. All right, guys, so now you can't see the logo over here because as you can see, this logo is on a transparent header. Okay, so what we have to do is I'm going to go back over here and then go to the transparent header over here. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to just delete this particular one over here and then set my own logo. Okay, so as you can see, it is gone. I'm going to go ahead and then set my own logo for it. So I'm going to just look for John and Kate over here, and then just set it for it. All right, so as you can see, this is John and Kate. Okay, so we can do so for also the sticky header. That is the one that you scroll. Okay, so because I did not create a darker logo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the inbuilt one. Okay, so the one that it comes with the demo over here, but don't use that one. Use your own kind of logo. Okay, so I'm going to just click over here and then select the darker version, this particular one over here, and then just set it on the sticky one. Okay, so if I scroll like this, see, this is the sticky one that I'm talking about. Okay, so basically that is it. So now that I have my logo set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on logo again over here, and then I'm going to reduce the height of the width of the logo. Okay, making it a little bit smaller for the website. Okay, to fit in well. So of course you should be able to know how to design your logo so that it fits the website a little bit. Okay, so make sure that you do it well so that it fits the website. Okay, it fits the website. Now I think it's okay, so I can just click on publish over here. Okay, publish over here. Now if I go to my front end and I refresh the website, I'm supposed to see my logo over here. Okay, so now I'm not seeing it because the caching plugin and other stuff. So I need to cache the website. Okay, so let me see if there is a caching plugin over here, which is making everything not really work. Okay, so there's no caching plugin, but I'm sure it's going to take a time, because if I come over here and then, oh, this is from Rishi. Yeah. Okay, so it wouldn't work. So I was just refreshing the Rishi website. So let me just come to my website itself and then go here and then see from the front end. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is my logo setup over here. So now I am what? I am good to go. Okay, so because I did not set the same color, but you can of course change this white to darker color, and then so that when you set it on the sticky, you're gonna see it over here. Now the sticky, like I told you, we have the logo, we have, or the header, we have the sticky header and then the transparent header. Okay, and that makes this particular theme very, very nice to use, because most of the themes you will have to how do you call it, buy the pro version before you even get the sticky and the transparent headers. Okay, but with this particular theme and the cadence theme, you get all these things for free in the free version. Okay, so that is it. So now that we have this one done, now it is up to us to customize the details of this particular page so that it meets our our client's need. Okay, so now we have our logo done. So it says Kate and John and Kate wedding, but here says Mira and Cal wedding. Okay, so now we're going to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so like I told you, because the website comes with what this particular plugin, Elementor plugin. Okay, we're going to click on edit with Elementor to edit the the home page and all the other pages also. Okay, so with the home page over here, you can click on edit with Elementor, or when you go to the back end, you go to pages, you go to all pages. Okay, you can be able to use, when you hover on the home page, you see this one which says edit with Elementor. You can be able to edit the home page with Elementor. So I'm going to open it in a new tab. Okay, so that we're going to edit it to Elementor, and then I'll hold this one so that I can be using it to refresh it for you to see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to close this particular one because I'm done with this particular one. I'm going to also close this one, and then maybe close this one also, and then also close this one. So now it's only my website over here. Okay, so now let's hold on for the Elementor page to load, and after loading we can be able to edit the page one after the other. All right guys, so Elementor page builder has loaded successfully. So now I'm going to just close this one. Okay, and as you can see over here, this is our home page. Okay, so you can see that we can be able to go ahead and then just hover on it and we can easily edit it. Okay, so now for those of you who are new over here in Elementor, with Elementor it's very easy to create a page or create a website. Okay, because it is a website builder. Okay, so it is very easy to create a page or a website using Elementor with this widget panel over here, or element panel over here. You just look at the ones that you want to use, and then you drag it over here. Okay, and that is as simple as that. Now Elementor comes in free and then pro. Okay, so if you want Elementor free version, you can download it from the WordPress plugin directory, but if you want the pro version, you can use my link over here which says Kaetech Digital. Okay, Kaetech digital.com/Elementor. Now go over there and you're going to see the pricing of the pro version over there and the details in it. Okay, you're going to see all the details in it. So as you can see, this is what this is the pricing over here, and you can either choose monthly or you can choose what you can choose yearly. Okay, and this is the pricing for a month. You're gonna pay this one, and it is billed what yearly over here, and it is 59 USD. You can get access to one site. You can get 24/7 support. You can get 57 pro widgets, team builder, motion effect, template library, custom font, forms widget, contact buttons, link in bio. We also have dynamic content, and then you can also have dynamic fields, WordPress fields, and then dynamic tags. Okay, you can get so many things over here. Now if you come to the advanced, which is also the popular one, you can also get so many things over here. Now this is basically for those who wants to create professional really website, and then also maybe e-commerce website. Okay, so you can get all of them over here. So basically that is what Elementor Pro. Okay, so if you want the Elementor Pro, just use the link I will leave in the description, and then you can be able to get Elementor Pro over here. But with this particular website, we are using the free version, so it is good to go. So let's go ahead and edit our website. Now we want here to be John and Kate. Okay, so I'm gonna click over here, and then just as you can see, I can go ahead and just type in John over here, and then go ahead and then also delete the Kyle, and then just type in Kate. Okay, so John and Kate. Now I'm going to leave space over here, create a space over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is John and Kate. They are getting married on what date? So you can choose the date over here. Okay, so the date is what 21/12/2021. I'm just going to make it 21/12/2024. Okay, for you to know the difference over here. So basically on the 21st of December 2024, they're going to get married. Okay, so basically that is it. Now these are all kind of images that you can be able to use on your website. Okay, so now if I want to change the background image, all what I need to do is to go to the top of it, and you see this one which says banner section over here. I can click on it over here, and then I will get edit section over here. Okay, so let's hold for it to load. I don't know why it is slow, but then it will load eventually, so let's hold on for it to load. All right, so guys, as you can see, this is what the banner container. Okay, that contains all the the information over here. Okay, so as you can see, this one comes with the inner container, which have all these things over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this one, and we're going to have this particular edit container section over here for us to be able to edit it. Now we will click on style over here, and then we will be able to change the image over here. So we can choose a new image. Okay, we're going to choose a new image. You can either go for this size over here, make sure that you optimize your image, or change the size to be able to fit the same size over here. But I have my own images, which I don't know if I really optimize it or not. Each other way, I'm sure it's going to work. So I can choose any of these images over here. So either this one, either this one, or let me just look at this one and see how it fits. I'm not so sure about the images because I didn't really optimize it well. But basically, as you can see over here, this is how the image changes. Okay, so I've already inserted the image over here, and as you can see, it fits perfectly well. I'm sure it is still loading the the upper content or the content on the particular image, but that is how the image looks like. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, they are coming. Okay, so that is how the image looks like, which is perfectly well the way I want it. So that is it. Now when I come over here, these are all images. Okay, these are all images you can be able to insert. If you have your own kind of like images over here, you can just click and change, okay. That is basically it. But when we scroll down over here, we can change the words over here, okay. So we can go ahead and click on this one over here to edit the words over here. We go together like hot sauce and everything, okay. So if you have any kind of words, you can just put it over here, okay. So delete this one and put it over here, but I'm not going to change this one. I'm just going to come over here, click on this particular one, which is the image, and then I'm going to choose an image for it, okay. I'm going to choose an image for it. So you can choose any image for it. So I'm going to choose this. Okay, so let me just choose this one for it. I'm going to click over here, and as you can see, it changes, okay. I can also come over here and then choose a different image, okay. So I'm just using random images, okay. So I'm using this guy tool over here, and as you can see, it also changes, okay. So you can change the name also over here. So maybe this one, instead of Mira Cassia, you can change it to maybe Kate, whatever it is. So maybe Kate Johnson, okay. So Kate Johnson. And then over here also Carl Wilson, we can also change it to any the name that you are using, okay. So this is what John, so I can just say John Doe, okay. Don't worry about it. So it is basically how it is. So you can put anything that you want to put over here, or put anything that you want to put over here, okay. So that is it. So these are the couples, right? Now the proposal, so you can put your proposal also over here, okay. And then how it started, you can also put some things over here, and then you can go ahead and then create all the memorable journeys and other stuff also over here, okay. So I'm gonna close this particular one. I'm going to close this one, and what I'm going to do is I'm not going to change words, I'm just going to change images, okay. So I'll click over here, just change. I just want to show you how this editing is so easy to be able to edit, because the website has already been created for you. All what you need to do is just edit it the way you want it, okay. So I'm just going to just click on this one, show it over here, and then click on this one, okay. Come over here, and then just use anyone that you want to use, okay. All depends on you, right? Yeah, so let's say I want to use this one, this image, and then come over here, becoming official, okay. So when the relationship became official, I can just use any image that I want to use. Now, of course, you can change your words, you can change anything that you want to change over there, okay. So let me just use anything. So I'm just going to use this particular image over here, okay. So save the date. You can put in everything that you want to put in over here. Just at the moment you see this pencil sign, you can be able to just click on it and then click on edit. All those kind of things you can do. So just hover on it, see the pencil sign, click on it and edit, and you are good to go. So the bridal party also, they did the groom and bride, the best the groomsmen, and then the maid of honor, the best man, and all those kind of stuff. You can be able to change all of them, okay. And then you can have some gallery images also over here. So you can go ahead and then style it anyhow you want it. And then over here you can be able to put in your how do you call it, your form over here. So this is a form, okay. So if you go over here, if you go to the back end of the website and you go to the plugins, okay, let's go to installed plugins over here, and let's see, we have this contact form 7 over here. So you can edit it so that the form, anything that you want to change about it, if you click on edit settings over here, you can go to the form over here. So this is what the contact form 1. If you go over here, let's see, it is contact form 1 over here. So I can go over here and then click on edit this particular one, and now I can be able to change anything that I want to change over here. Okay, so your full name or your name, the radio buttons, I am attending, I attend, you can change it to anything that you want to change. Contact, number, and then you write your message and then submit over here. So this is something you can easily do. Okay, so the mail settings also over here. So the site admin email and all those kind of stuff, where the emails will go to when somebody send a form, okay, or fill in the RSVP form. Okay, it's gonna go, you make sure that you put in the right details so that it goes to the right place. Okay, so basically that is it. The messages also, the messages also over here. Okay, so all the messages, everything is what is over here. So you can be able to edit all the the messages that you want it to be sent, or you want it to be seen on the front end for users who are filling the form over here. And then if you have additional settings, you can also do it over here. So basically that is how you go about it. Okay, and then the registry, you can put in your own. So for instance, if you are in Ghana and then maybe you want them to just register with any kind of company with you, maybe where your gift and other stuff will go, so maybe mobile money or bank or whatever it is, you can put in all those things over here. Okay, and then FAQs, you can be able to set it up over here. So as you can see, these are accordions that they use for the FAQs. So as you can see, these are accordions. When you click on it, this is the first question. You can be able to edit the question over here and then type the answer also over here. Okay, so you go through all of them and you can be able to do so for all of them. Okay, so basically that is how it works. So this is not any big thing. All what you need to do is to have a design eye and know what you are doing. Even with the design eye, it has already been designed for you. You just need to change the colors and everything, and then you are good to go. Now to be able to change, you see this one have with a background color of like kind of like a light pink. Okay, if I want to change the color, I can click on this particular one, which is with the edit section color, the edit section container or edit container. I can just go to style. Okay, when it opens, and then the background type. Okay, I can choose any background type for it. Let's look at how the background overlay. Okay, so as you can see, they are using an image for this particular place. So they are using a background image. Okay, so if you don't want the image, you can delete it and then put your own kind of image over there. Okay, the same thing applies to this side also. I'm sure they're gonna use either a background or an image, either a background type or an image. So let's go ahead. So they are using a color. Okay, so as you can see, they are using a color. You can just go ahead, change the color to any color. So let's say your color is greenish color. So as you can see, it changes to that kind of green, light green. Okay, so it all depends on how you want it. Okay, so you can be able to fidget it, go ahead with it, and then just make sure that it fits your brand. Okay, so that is basically it. Now when you are done with it, you can go ahead and click on publish over here. So I can click on publish over here, and then all the changes that I've done will eventually come on my website. All right, so now that it is published, let's go to the front end and refresh the website and see how it looks like. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is how our wedding new wedding website looks like. Now we haven't finished editing it, but I'm not going to go through all of them. I want to show you how easy it is to be able to create this kind of wedding website. So as you can see, this are the couple over here. So you can go ahead and then this is the proposal. If you want to change anything about it, how it started, you see all the images that we placed over there is working perfectly well. Okay, you can go ahead and then either change anything or whatever you want to do, and then they save the date. If you change something, you can be able to see it. The wedding party or the groomsmen, and then the bridal theme, you can see a lot of them over here. And then also the gallery, also you can be able to see all of them. And then the form that goes with the RSVP, you can also see them over here. So basically that is how this thing really works. Okay, so that is it. Now with the footer over here, which says copyright at 2024 John Wed Kate. This one is what powered by who? Powered by Rishi theme. Okay, so with this particular one over here, we can be able to change it. So if you go to the customize over here, so let's go to the customize over here. Now since we have a header builder, we can also have footer builder. Okay, so this is the footer builder over here, and this is the copyright, right? So we can click on it to see the copyright, and as you can see, powered by the theme author. We can just remove this one over here and then just put in our website name. So maybe Kaetech Digital. Okay, and then I'm going to just put a link over there. So I'm just going to put a link over here and say maybe kaetechdigital.com. Okay, and hit apply over here. Now if I publish it, let me just publish it over here, and I come to the front end of the website, refresh it over here. Now as you can see, I should be able to see this particular one over here, which says kaetechdigital.com. Okay, now the same way we can change the logo and other stuff. So if I want to maybe go to the widgets. Okay, so let me go to the widget over here. All right guys, so as you can see over here, I can decide to change this one. Okay, so I can just go ahead and then just either replace image over here. So I can just replace the image, and then all the links over here I can just replace them. Okay, so I can click over here and then replace it with any image that I want. So let's say I want to replace it with this particular one over here. I can just go ahead and replace it with this one. Okay, so if I'm okay with it, I can go ahead and click on publish. Okay, now because it is a white background, it's sometimes very hard to see. Okay, so as you can see, it's so hard to see. I should have a darker logo for it. So but this is it. Now with the social media handles also, we can still go ahead and change it. So as you can see, these are the social. So let's go back over here and look for the social. So this is the social over here. Now over here we can click on this particular one and put a link over here. Okay, so we can click over here and put a link over here, click over here and put our social media link over here, click over here and put our social media over here. Now if you want to add more, you click on this space over here and you choose what you want to add. So let's say I want to add YouTube. Okay, so let me see if I could find YouTube over here. All right, so this is YouTube over here. I can be able to see YouTube over here. Okay, so YouTube should be added. So as you can see, this is YouTube over here added for me. Okay, and then I can just publish it. Now when I come to the home page, I can refresh the website and I'm supposed to see YouTube over here. Okay, so now I have 4 different icons instead of 3. Okay, so basically that is it. You can be able to change certain things on the website so easily. Okay, and that is how you can be able to create an amazing wedding website for your clients. Now I know this one will help every incoming people who want to set up their own wedding kind of invitation card and other stuff. Now the same way you are able to edit the homepage, you can go ahead and edit how it started, the gallery page, the blog page, and all those kind of contact page and all those things. Okay, you can do all of them the way you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you to be able to create a wedding website that you really want for your client and for even yourself. See you in the next video. My name is Kobe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's go together. So if you like and subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we create videos, you'll be able to come over here and then watch those videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.